Ever felt your keyboard just isn't cutting it? Discover the world of mechanical keyboards and why they might be the upgrade you need. Mechanical keyboards stand out with their individual mechanical switches under each key, offering a unique typing experience. Choose from tactile, clicky, or linear switches to match your typing or gaming style, with brands like Cherry MX and Razer leading the way. Feel the difference with every keystroke. Mechanical keys provide satisfying feedback unlike the mushy feel of membrane keyboards. Ergonomic designs, adjustable tilt angles, and wrist rests make mechanical keyboards a comfortable choice for long typing sessions. Built to last, mechanical keyboards often outlive their membrane counterparts, thanks to high-quality materials and durable switches. Most mechanical switches are rated for 50 million keystrokes, ensuring your keyboard stays reliable for years to come. Customization is key. Swap out keycaps, enjoy RGB lighting, and set up programmable keys to create your perfect keyboard. From full-size models to compact designs, there's a mechanical keyboard to fit every space and portability need. Transform your typing and gaming experience with a mechanical keyboard. Once you switch, you'll never look back.